What's up guys, this is What's Short. Tech filters for my Mavic Mini. This is what they look like. They're all labeled, so we get 6 ND filters here. So most times when you put an ND filter on a Mavic Mini, the gimbal is unstable and it says you can't fly it. If these are light enough, these are good. I'm gonna try it out right now, so give me... Okay, so I'm back with my drone. We're gonna just take one of the... Let's take the ND64 filter here. We're gonna put it on. So the way you do it is simple. You put the drone head down, and then you hook these up to the vent over here and line it up with the drone's camera. So after you put this on, it's gonna look something like this. And now we're just gonna turn this on and we're gonna fly it a little bit up and just see if it gives me any gimbal stability issues. So 2 seconds for that. Okay guys, so we have the drone set up here. I'm turning it on right now. I'm just gonna connect, and it seems like I'm not having a problem. Okay, so there is absolutely no problem flying this. It doesn't give me any gimbal problems. I can move the gimbal up and down, so it's good. I'm gonna have to do some real world testings and I'll probably come back to you guys with the results of it, but it seems like this has been goodbye. And I'll tell you how I feel about it afterwards. I'll probably have a week testing this thing, and then I'll tell you guys what my results are. So I'll see you guys next time on What's Short Tech.